Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris. I'm just another review guy. Today we're going to be looking at Adam's wheel cleaner. This wheel cleaner is in a 16-ounce bottle, already pre-made. Sells on Amazon for about $14.50 as of recording the video today in September. It's a little bit more expensive than the Chemical Guys Diablo gel because the gel comes in a 16-ounce bottle as well, but you can dilute it to maximize the product you get out of it, I guess. So guys, the Adams wheel cleaner is safe on almost all wheels. You don't want to use it on raw aluminum or bare metal, I guess. But on the back of the bottle it says it's safe on painted, powder coated, clear coated, and chrome wheels. It has a thick gel-like consistency. I can tell you now it smells pretty terrible compared to like the Chemical Guy product. And sorry if I'm squinting, the freaking sun's blasting me in the face. The nice thing about the Adams wheel cleaner is once you apply it and it starts to work, it turns purple. And remember not to let it dry in your wheel. I'm not sure why, what would happen. I'm not going to test it out. But we're going to spray it on a wheel that's pretty clean. We're going to let it sit for about 3 minutes until it turns purple. Then we're going to pressure wash it off. For the sake of the video, we're not going to be scrubbing the wheel because we already know with almost all cleaners, you need to agitate the wheel to actually get all the brake dust off if it's heavily coated. And the second part of this video, we're going to do a heads up between this and the Diablo gel, since I already have it made up in a bottle. So we'll go to a wheel that's a little bit dirtier. We'll do half with the Adams, we'll do half with the Chemical Guys Diablo gel, and then we'll see which one works the best or if they work the same. So guys, let's get to the video. Alright guys, so here we are about to pre-rinse the wheel. Then we'll spray the Adams wheel cleaner on it. We'll let it turn purple. Then we'll pressure wash it off. As you can see on this particular wheel, it's actually not too dirty. So it's actually not even that dirty, but I already have everything set up to clean the wheel. So we'll go ahead and spray it and we'll see what happens. Now this Adams wheel cleaner gel will stick to the wheel. Spray the tire a little bit. Liberally spray it on. Alright guys, so what we'll do now is we'll let it sit and we'll see how purple it turns on this wheel. If you could see the rotor, let's see if I can get in there really quick. It's kind of dark, but you can see on the rotor there it's purple. Hopefully we can see it on the wheel as well. Alright guys, so it's been on here for a couple minutes, and let's see if my camera can pick up the purple. You can see a little bit of purple running right there. So where the brake dust is heavy, it's turning purple to let you know that it's doing its job. It's breaking down the brake dust and the metallic material in it. Let's go ahead guys and let's get this wheel pressure washed off. Alright guys, let's go and do a little bit of a wipe here and see what we got. It's no dirt there. Now there's some dirt back here because we didn't get behind the wheel. Not too bad. I mean, we know the product works. Turned purple. Got some of the brake dust off. Alright guys, let's go ahead and switch to a different wheel and a different car. Alright guys, so here we are with a different wheel. A lot dirtier than my other BMW. As you can see right here, it's pretty dirty. So what we're gonna do is pre-rinse half the wheel to use the Adams. The other half we're gonna spray with chemical guys. Okay. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so this half is going to be for the Adams wheel cleaner. And this half is going to be Chemical Guys Diablo Gel. With the Diablo Gel, you don't have to pre-rinse. It's probably recommended you do, but they don't recommend it, or they don't tell you you should. So we'll let that sit there, guys, for about 3 minutes, and then we'll pressure wash it off, and we'll see which product did the best without actually having to do much elbow grease. Alright guys, it's been on here for a couple minutes. Let's hurry up and power wash it before the Chemical Guy stuff dries up. Alright guys, let's go and wipe down the rim to see what we have. So on the Adams side, there's still quite a bit of brake dust on the rim. But we know that because really need to scrub it to get it off. But once your wheel's cleaned and coated, I've been spraying my wheels with the Armor All car soap. It gives it that ceramic coating. And it's been actually keeping my wheels on my Z4 pretty darn clean. Little test I was doing. You know, even on the Chemical Guy side, there's still dirt on the rim, right? But with the hey guys, thanks for watching the video. This concludes my Adams wheel cleaner review. My thoughts on the cleaner is it works great. I like the fact that when you spray it on your rims, it turns purple, letting you know it's actually doing the job. The only thing I don't like about the cleaner is it smells terrible, but if it works, I don't care about the smell as much. It's 14 bucks for 16 ounces, and 16 ounces, depending on how big your wheels are, you're probably only going to be able to wash your rims with this stuff twice, maybe 3 times. So every car wash is going to be, what, $5 in materials using the Adams. I think the Adams would be perfect for maintenance. You know, once you get your wheels scrubbed down, every car show, spray it, pressure wash it, and it's going to be perfectly fine. This isn't a comparison video to the Chemical Guys Diablo Gel, but if we were going to compare the two, the Diablo Gel smells way better, but the Adams works way better in my opinion. Just a better product than the Chemical Guys when it comes to wheel cleaner. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to try to get more consistent. I got a new camera, so I had to learn how to use a camera. I'm trying to get better video content out for you, and also trying to get better microphones as well. Guys, if there's any cleaner you want me to do a review on, try it. Comment in the comment section, let me know, and I'll go buy it and I'll give it a try. And I'll give you a shout out as well on the channel if you recommend a product that I actually try out. As always, all the links to the product is in the description below. They are Amazon affiliate links, and anything you buy from those links, I really appreciate it. It helps support me buying the product, because everything I test, I pay for. I'm not sponsored by anybody, but that doesn't matter because I like what I do. I have fun making these videos, and I hope you guys enjoy watching them. So guys, as always, stay blessed, keep your cars clean. We'll come out with another review in a few days. Just so you know, if you're new here, I review more than car stuff, but most of my stuff is car stuff because I love cars. But I also want to review other items like fishing gear, because I got an affiliate with Cabela and Bass Pro. So I'm working on something with them. As always, thanks for watching. Subscribe if I've earned it. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.